So, hello guys. We are doing a five-way showcase. Five-way just got buff so much. It can freaking even survive a double backset. Look, hello backset, come here. Come to Papa. Come to Papa, boy. Come to Papa. Come to Papa, boy. Come to Papa. Come here, bro. Stop teaming. Nah, bro. Bro, haha, bro got lacking. Bro got that grinder, bro. Help me. He was attacking that. No, bro. Ha, bro. We the freaking five way is now that OP. Oh, there's an overload. Let's see if it can destroy an overload. Oh, there's a Latina. I'm here. Oh, there's the overlord. There's the overlord. I'm not playing you with you. We know we have reached. No, bro, the spikes of the overlord got me. But I'm pretty sure we can tank his bullets. But not the spikes. Look at the spikes. Oh, shitty, shit! He just got killed. Oh my god, mama! My god, mama! Oh my god, mama! Oh my god, mama! Ooh, hello, bro. Uy, what the hell do you have so much damage, boy? Where's the lava chest? The lava chest is there. And it's also a lava chest. Come on, broski. Come on. Hoy, baka. Let's go, my guy. Let's go, my guy. Fabway is that. It's just that OP, man. Just don't try to challenge the goat, which is course of me. Let's find that overlord and take our freaking sweet revenge. Look, we can even survive a backshot. but a mega shot, no, bro. Stay away from Danny. Yo, there's the overlord. That overlord strong. Like crazy strong, mame. Because of the freaking spikes. The spikes were freaking. Man, don't even try. Overlord versus. Why the hell am I lagging? Bro, come here. Oh, does it has boot? Does it has boost? Come to pop kami. Okay, bro, bye. Man, I'm getting. Bro, hello, sniper. No, bro, nah. No, bro. Oh, there's a Gatler. There's. Oh, shit. I was lagging for a bit. Now he did. I think I'm going to unbox that lab chest now. Let's just unbox that lab chest now. If I can get a secret, bro, of flare back to like this, bro, like this. Let's lava chest. But do I sell this lava chest or unbox? I unbox it. I don't care, man. I don't care. Please be something good. That's straight trash. That's straight trash, my man. That's straight trash. I have now two bolts, one multiplier, one blast shield, one gatler, one. Yo, what the hell? What the hell? So I'm going to be done with the feed now. So bye guys.